I'm here at Walmart and I'm gonna be I'm waiting for a prescription to get filled. And this is the ultimate in confidence when you buy this. Strong enough for a man, but made for a woman. All right, let's take a look at the Funko section, see what they got. Now, I don't know how long they're gonna be doing this, guys, and I'm sorry, I'm not used to, I'm using my iPhone right now. But if you go to Walgreens, you can get 2 Funkos for $10, which is 50% off. I don't know what kind of deals they currently have at Walmart, but we're gonna find out right now. Nice, I like these guys. Here's the Harley Quinn, $10. DC Kid Com. There's Wonder Woman. I think the Wonder Woman looks a lot better from a shapely perspective. Batman. And there's the multiverse stuff. That shot. Nice. That one has a pretty authentic look with a little separate mask. That's pretty cool looking. Here's the Funko section, at least for Star Wars figures. Let me take a look and see if there's anything here. I don't see much. Definitely not on sale. These Varmix here, if you see these on Amazon right now, I think that's last time I saw they had them for $5 each. And they have a special for $7 on the presidential ones, so Trump, Clinton, and those ones. Let's see, got C-3PO. I'm looking back here to see if there's anything rare. Anything exclusive would be great. Chase near impossible. These boxes are pretty beat up. Now this isn't too bad, but the Walgreens one, why not get that if you can? Now the Walgreens, I went and checked today and they were completely out of stock on everything. Jen Urso, totally like her. There's one hidden back here, Darth Vader. Rogue One, Darth Vader, pretty cool. It's one of my favorite characters. Uh-oh. I see something I'm interested in. Pokemon. Cool. Uh-oh. It's like Furo. ID tag included. I never heard of these Pokemon before. Anyway, Pokemon craze. What you find at Walmart. Look a little rough to me. The boxes are $30. Unless I can find some more Funko Pops. It looks like Walmart's a bust at this location. They have like just a very few that I showed you. So I don't know. Maybe they just didn't sell well here. And they still have a lot of these on sale. I wonder if they're gonna lower them some more for Black Friday. $5, and there's still quite a good selection. I like that yellow there. It'd be so nice to get. If I get it for like half price, I'd buy some. That's not Yoda in there. Han Solo. think that's mispackaged right there. That's not Yoda. Obi-Wan. Kylo Ren. Chewbacca. Poe Dameron. I don't really like this. Darth Vader is not that good. See, that's the real name. Cash and Jar. Somebody put it in the wrong package. Bunch of Han Solos. Anyway. Let's take a look over here. There's some more over here too. These people will just have a ton of them. I'm digging that Mickey Mouse. That's freaking awesome. Minnie Mouse, freaking cool. Sadness. Time's kind of cool. Check it out, Ultron. You can't tell me you don't like that one for $5. Kylo Ren. Ant-Man looks pretty good. Yeah, this is some good stuff. Just kind of skim through here. It's mostly the same now. This one's $12. I like Captain America, but not for $12. There we go. Black Panther. Talk to me, FM. Talk to me on this one. Of course, Darth Maul's cool. I already got it. I can't wait till I get to my new camera. This camera's just not that awesome. This guy's pretty cool. Zed Aurelios. I'm digging Zed. I'm going to have to keep checking back on Black Friday to see what these go down to. Here's the 2-packs. It appears these are a little bit more expensive. Here's the 3-pack that We Crawler won. They still have a couple left. Freaking amazing, man. I almost want to get this one for myself. They're $12. I thought I paid $9.99 when I bought it. But they're $12 here. So I'm going to keep checking back. I might get this one. There's a couple of them here if you can take a look. Now we're looking at these Skylander Imaginators. The detail on these are freaking awesome, man. I really do like these. These are $15. I wish these were on sale. Look at the detail on that. Freaking awesome. These look really, really good. Let me just feel how heavy they are. Pretty light, comparable to a Funko Pop. Wow, look at the detail. Dr. Crankcase. Master Ambush. Freaking awesome, huh? Look at this one. Obviously somebody bought this one already. Master Barbella. Carrying some barbells. That's awesome. Love the gold and black. It's just amazing. Freaking cool detail on these. I just like the color scheme. You remember how I love color. These things are so freaking awesome. $30 though, man. Wow. But on a side note, if you have the system to play with this, it's actually really probably not a bad deal. You're getting a character to play. Freaking amazing, man. Let me put it closer so I can get the glare out. Wow. See if there's anything different here. Looks the same. Pretty much the same. Oh guys, check this out. I used to play Guitar Hero all the time. And I love the one with the drums. I forgot what it was called, man. I was so good at that. I was like, I could play all the different, like, really hard drum beats. Freaking crazy. 50 bucks.